Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Are you looking to earn free Bitcoin? Then you've got to check out freebitco.in. It's one of the best sites out there for earning crypto without spending a dime. And guess what? Signing up is super simple. Just click the link down below in the description. So how does it work? First, let me assure you that freebitco.in is a trusted and secure platform. It's been around since 2013 and has over 40 million users worldwide. That's right, 40 million. With a reputation like that, you know you're in safe hands. Once you sign up, you can start earning Bitcoin right away. The platform offers a free faucet that allows you to claim small amounts of Bitcoin every hour. All you need to do is solve a simple CAPTCHA, and bam, free Bitcoin in your account. It's that easy. But wait, there's more. FreeBitco.in also has a fantastic referral program. For every person you refer to the site, you'll earn a percentage of their faucet claims and other earnings. So, the more friends you invite, the more Bitcoin you can earn. Now, here's the exciting part. FreeBitco.in hosts a weekly lottery where you have the chance to win up to 1 Bitcoin. Imagine what you could do with one whole BTC. It's an incredible opportunity, and all you have to do is participate to stand a chance to win. Additionally, the site offers a range of other ways to earn, like interest on your Bitcoin balance. Just keep your Bitcoin in your freebitco.in wallet, and you'll earn interest on it every day. It's like having your own little crypto savings account. And if you're feeling lucky, you can also play their provably fair games to multiply your Bitcoin. It's a fun way to potentially boost your earnings, but remember to play responsibly. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to sign up for freebitco.in today. Start claiming your free Bitcoin, refer your friends, and maybe even win that 1 BTC lottery. Don't forget to use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication to keep your account secure. Happy earning, and may the crypto gods be with you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks. See you next time.